Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Demeo X Dungeons and Dragons Battlemarked game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, and in the general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this is working or not. If not, remove this and move to the next solution. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers to the latest version. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check if it's working or not. Next solution is to run the game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game and double click on it and check if it's opening or not. If not, you have to run the game as administrator. So for that, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and launch the game. If it doesn't work, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, again come back, deselect all these and after that move to the next solution. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings and here you have to check if the game is listed or not. If not, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application. Now after selecting, add it to the list and after adding it, select the game, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You simply have to select them and right click on it and click on end a task. So this will completely close the app running in the background and once done, launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here you have to deselect enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to simply disable it and then launch the game and check if it is working or not. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option from. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link I have already provided in the description, copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below, here you have to click on the link to download it. After the file is downloaded, open it and you will get an option of repair or install. Simply click on repair option and wait for some time. Now you will get setup successful message, close it, restart your system and after restarting, again launch the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for update option will be available here. In my case, I have already an update available, so I have to click on download and install. You will get a check for updates option. Simply click on it and it will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on downloads and then go below, and here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache option. Click on it and it will pop up. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. See, if you want, you can confirm it, and after that again launch Steam and then try to play the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list. After that, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, right click on it. After selecting the game, click on manage, then click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and then launch Steam and reinstall Demeo X Dungeons and Dragons Battlemarked game once again, and then click on play button and check if it's opening or not. So by going through these methods, you can easily resolve crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues while playing Demeo X Dungeons and Dragons Battlemarked game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.